Looking to display more meaningful stock statuses than just in stock or out of stock? With Custom Stock Status, you can add multiple custom statuses and dynamic stock messages based on quantity ranges. Show urgency, manage expectations, and build trust. All with customized labels like Selling Fast or Back in Stock Soon. Let's head to the back end for configuration. Navigate to Modules, Module Manager. Find the Addify Custom Stock Status. Click Configure to access the settings. Let's start configuration from the General Settings tab. Begin by enabling the module. Click Enable if you want to hide the default stock status. Enable. Show multiple stock statuses on the same product to display more than one status simultaneously for a single product. Next, switch to the Statuses tab. Here you can create and manage custom stock status rules efficiently. To edit or update an existing status, click on Edit. To create a new status, click on Plus. Enable to activate status. Add a status name for easy identification. Write a custom message to display to customers. You can even include dynamic values like the current stock quantity using predefined tag. Add a custom image or icon for your stock status using the Upload option. Image or icon format should be JPG, PNG, JPEG, GIF. Once uploaded, select the image size, small, medium, or large, based on your store's layout. Once you're done, simply click Save to apply your settings. Let's go to Rules section now to create unlimited custom stock status rules. To modify an existing rule, click on Edit. To create a new stock status rule, click the plus button. Toggle Enable to activate the rule. Add custom rule title for future reference and set its priority. Use the Show Status option to choose exactly where you'd like your custom stock status to appear. Options including both product listing and product page. Display status everywhere for better visibility. Product listing only. Showcase status on category pages to attract buyers. Product page only. Showcase status on individual product pages only for detailed information. Customize the font style. Adjust the text size for optimal readability. You can also choose a font color to make your stock status visually stand out. Decide the placement of the stock status on the product page layout. Before price, displays status in pricing for quick notice. After price, highlights the status immediately after price. Before add to cart, encourages customers before purchasing. After add to cart, informs buyers after they consider adding to cart. From quantity range option, you can define stock-based triggers by setting the minimum and maximum stock levels that will activate this custom status. If you choose to display it on both the listing and product page, repeat the customization steps for each. Select the statuses you've already created in the Statuses tab that you want to display with your products on the front end. From Customer Group option, you can select the customer groups you want to display these statuses to. Now, select the specific products or categories where you want to display the custom stock statuses. Our module also offers time-based stock status scheduling. Simply toggle to enable, set the start and end dates, and your custom stock statuses will automatically appear on the front end within the defined time frame. Once you've configured the rule settings, click Save to apply your settings. Now, let's head to the storefront and see how your custom stock statuses appear on products for your customers. Click the subscribe button to stay updated with our feature-rich modules, and feel free to share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit from our solutions for their stores too. Thank you for watching.